Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience using the services discussed. Today we're taking a look at Regions Bank, found online at regions.com. Regions is a large regional bank offering a full suite of financial services, from basic checking and savings accounts to more complex investment options. Navigating their website, you'll find resources for personal banking, business banking, and wealth management. They have a strong presence in the southern and midwestern United States, with a substantial network of physical branches and ATMs. This makes them a convenient option for customers who value in-person banking services alongside digital accessibility. Regions provides various checking account options, each tailored to different needs and preferences. Some accounts offer perks like cashback rewards or waived monthly fees depending on certain criteria like maintaining a minimum balance or setting up direct deposit. Their savings accounts are designed to help customers grow their funds, with options including traditional savings accounts, money market accounts, and certificates of deposit, CDS. They also offer a range of loan products, such as mortgages, auto loans, and personal loans, catering to diverse borrowing needs. Beyond everyday banking, Regions also provides investment services, helping customers plan for their financial future. These services range from guidance on retirement planning to more specialized investment strategies. Their online platform and mobile app allow users to manage their accounts, track spending, transfer funds, and pay bills with ease. With features like mobile check deposit and account alerts, Regions strives to offer a seamless digital banking experience. While their specific offerings and fee structures are subject to change, exploring their website provides a comprehensive overview of their available services. They emphasize financial wellness and offer various resources and tools to empower customers to make informed financial decisions. For those seeking a well-established bank with a broad array of financial products, Regions Bank is certainly worth considering. Remember to carefully review all terms and conditions before opening any account.